Blow up the balloon and then squeeze it gently to soften it.
Stretch it out and wrap it around your thumb, then thread it inside. Squeeze the soft ball, then hold the ball with one hand and twist the other hand. Squeeze the balloon to soften it, hold it with one hand and twist it into a small bubble with the other hand. Thread the balloon tip through the knob. Squeeze the balloon soft, then bend the balloon and twist the two ends together. One hand holds the balloon, the other hand rotates the balloon and presses in. Default text: hold one ball with one hand, rotate the other ball with the other hand and press it. Twist the balloon, then twist in the middle of the knot. Fold the balloon, then use your hand to stroke the fold 3 to 4 times.